the bowlers getting some movement earlier on. Straight away. Off the mark, the Warriors with a single.
Get the team to a good start.
Yeah, Javed Miandar, one of the best batters against spin.
Imran Tahir.
Yeah, Javed Miandar, the league mentor. First over gone, 3 for no loss. And that came in off the surface. But he's bowling the new ball.
Yeah, he's just got a nice little shape into the left-hander. Third man and sweeper on the offside are the boundary riders. Get the single, all the fielders up in the circle.
And can they do it without Basit Ali? In the air, that's a half-hearted shot. He didn't really get it on the bat. Didn't complete the shot. Just lands in the vacant zone. A couple of runs added.
In the surface, talked about Mani not having as much pace as the majority of the bowlers that have opened the bowling in the competition. Just imagine if he had gone.
For margin of error is very slim. You go offline, you'll be put away.
Yeah, that's not the right line. He knows that he's getting the ball to swing back a long way.
Excellent, excellent ball. 20 over, 2 gone, 11 for no loss. Shot, shot. I mean, he hits the ball hard.
Stand and deliver. He's barely moved an inch himself. He just got himself in the position before the ball was bowled as trigger movement. And then he has just smashed that through the offside. It's well played. That's the kind of player that he is. George Thomas.
Yeah, he didn't really get up. So in the first game, George Thomas and Shazib had a 103-run partnership.
Yeah, it's a good bumper. Unfortunately, just a bit too high.
Catch is the call, but it'll be wide off the fielder at mid-on. I don't know, a few yards to his right and left. With him, you probably notice that the circle field is also at the edge of the 30-yard marker. This time it's Shazib. It was too full. Just went with the full swing of the bat, cleared the circle, and then the ball is on its way.
Calculated stroke. Over pitched. Width outside the off stump. He knows if I just get enough bat on it, nobody back on the offside. Hit myself a boundary. That's well played. Another look at that stroke a couple of deliveries ago.
And he will keep hitting boundaries. He just makes it look so easy, effortless.
Sikandar, effortless is the word. Look at that again. Minimal foot movement, but look where he's hit the ball. He's made sure the ball's gone right under his eyes and then just opens the face to get it through the gap.
He likes space. Again, the ball just seems to be holding a bit in the surface, so he's just not arriving. Well, still will give time to his fans. Top edge. This should be taken. You want to win this? Don't drop it. Oh. Well, tell me.
Ali Razak, this is pretty simple. Hasn't had the greatest time in the field. Yeah, simple catch. Really should have been taken.
Wow, that was hit hard. Good that Edward got his boot away. 4 gone, 32 for no loss.
Insult to injury. He's come around the wicket because a bit of width from the 2 deliveries he's bowled from over, being dispersed through the offside. This is 2 full and straight. And back past the bowler.
Again, upish in the air, but just passes the awakened area for a boundary.
Now this is what you were talking about, Sikandar. In fact, that pace coming onto the bat. You don't have to worry about momentum. He's just literally blocked that. Gone into the gap, raced away to the boundary.
You just get a feeling that it is getting stuck in the surface a little bit, because that catch that was dropped, you usually get the toe end of the bat, the ball is just not arriving. You see the width, he's just allowing him to free his arms. Got protection, yes. Okay, so this is it's tough to explain these. Oh, is he gone? This looks like trouble. That's some smart glove work there. He's just flicked that back onto the stumps.
Home comfortably, and he is. It's good glove work, by the way. Flicking the ball from behind your back into the stumps where he's not looking. But George Thomas in comfortably.
That's not the first time he's done that. Ideally, he should be behind the stumps. Yeah, you're lucky he's found the fielder, but that's not the length you want to bowl at. To George, especially. Driven for a single, 5 gone, 42 for no loss.
Yeah.
Finds a gap. That's a nice looking stroke. He had enough length on this one to rock onto the back foot and pick his spot.
Bowling in the power play, the margins are small. It was a bit short. And Shahzeb using the pace. It was a lot of time for him to place it between the gap. No fielder at deep cover. Oh! But they are going along with him in the slips for the spinner. Arham, a good slip fielder against seamers. That's the end of the power play. 47 for naught.